Hello, landlords and property managers. Whether you manage a single rental unit or oversee an entire portfolio across Bengaluru, one reality remains constant. Property damage and repair issues are bound to arise. However, the key difference between resolving these smoothly and getting caught in costly disputes lies in how well the damage and repair work are documented. Thorough documentation not only protects your legal interests, but also simplifies maintenance tracking, enhances tenant communication, and keeps your financial records accurate. In this video, we'll explore smart and effective ways to document property damage and repairs, so you're always prepared, with clear, timely evidence when it matters most. 1. Start with a detailed move-in inspection. Proper documentation begins the day your tenant is about to move in. A comprehensive move-in inspection establishes a reference point for the property's original condition. Walk through each room, capturing high-resolution photographs and videos that show the condition of walls, ceilings, flooring, fixtures, appliances, and fittings. Pair these visuals with a written checklist reviewed and signed by both you and the tenant. This move-in record serves as an essential comparison tool later when evaluating claims of damage beyond normal wear and tear. 2. Standardized tenant damage reporting procedures. Encourage tenants to report any maintenance issues or property damage in writing via a consistent system, preferably through a dedicated property management portal or email. Avoid relying solely on verbal communication or phone calls. A written report ensures you have a time-stamped record of when the issue was raised and by whom. This not only assists with repair prioritization, but also builds a solid timeline in case disputes arise regarding delays or negligence. 3. Capture visual proof before, during, and after repairs. Whenever damage is reported, be it a leaking pipe, damaged door, or structural issue, document it with clear photos and videos. These visuals act as undeniable proof and are particularly useful for insurance purposes or tenant accountability. Don't stop before photos. Document the repair process and take after photos once the issue is resolved. This complete visual record reinforces your professionalism and ensures transparent property maintenance practices. Maintain a comprehensive repair log. Maintain a detailed repair log that records every aspect of repair activities. What work was completed, who performed it, and when. This log should include names of contractors, type and cost of materials used, duration of work, and the overall expenses incurred. Link this log to relevant invoices, receipts, and images. Over time, this repair history proves essential in identifying recurring problems, evaluating vendor reliability, and supporting accurate tax reporting. 5. Archive all communication around repairs. Whenever property damage occurs, communication becomes critical. Be sure to preserve all messages and emails exchanged between landlords, tenants, and vendors, whether to request for repairs, appointment confirmation, vendor quotes, or repair status updates. If a tenant later questions the timeliness or quality of the work, having a clear written trail can protect you from unfounded claims and demonstrate your prompt response. 6. Use technology to centralize records. Modern property management platforms such as Appfolio, Buildium, or SANGAU's proprietary system make it easy to centralize your documentation. These platforms allow you to collect tenant damage reports, upload images, maintain repair logs, and store payment records, all organized by property, unit, and category. This digital approach makes your documentation easier to manage, more secure, and instantly retrievable whenever you need it. 7. Differentiate between damage and wear and tear. A common area of dispute during move-outs involves whether an issue is normal wear and tear or actual tenant-caused damage. To avoid ambiguity, your repair logs and documentation should clearly categorize the nature of each issue. For instance, natural fading on walls may be general aging, while chipped paint or broken tiles caused by negligence should be tagged as tenant damage. This clarity helps in determining appropriate deductions from the security deposit and offers strong support in case of disagreement. 8. Document emergency repairs separately. Emergency repairs, such as a burst pipe or electrical failure, often involve rapid action and higher expenses. These must be documented carefully. Record when the issue was reported, your response time, and the steps taken to resolve it. Capture all emergency actions, including any temporary fixes, vendor engagement, and the final resolution. This level of documentation is particularly important for insurance claims, tenant assurances, and audits. 9. Store all supporting documentation securely. Every repair should be backed with official documents. This includes contractor invoices, receipts, payment confirmations, product warranties, and municipal permits if applicable. These supporting documents are vital for audits, warranty follow-ups, tax deductions, and future reference if similar issues reoccur. Organize these records digitally to ensure long-term accessibility and traceability. 10. Conduct a thorough move-out inspection. When a tenant is moving out, conduct a final inspection using the same checklist and method used during move-in. If possible, invite the tenant to be present. Take photos and videos of each room to document the property's condition. Clearly identify any new damages and contrast them with the move-in visuals. Provide a copy of the inspection report to the tenant, along with a breakdown of any deductions from the security deposit. This process ensures transparency and closure for both parties while minimizing disputes. Bonus tip: use cloud storage for backup. Imagine losing months or years of important records due to accidental deletion or hardware failure. Avoid such risks by backing up all documentation to a secure cloud platform like Google Drive, Dropbox, or your property management software's cloud integration. Set up automatic backups and organize folders by property and date. Cloud storage adds a critical layer of protection to your property management records, ensuring they're safe, searchable, and always within reach. Partner with SANGAU for professional documentation support. At SANGAU, we believe in doing more than just managing maintenance. We document every repair process with professionalism and precision. From scheduled servicing to emergency fixes, we use digital tools to photograph, log, and securely store every repair detail. Our systems help landlords across Bengaluru keep their properties well-maintained, their documentation clean, and their finances in order. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more property management insights. Stay informed and let SANGAU help you simplify your property maintenance journey.